Hello and welcome to this brand new video about my flip camp challenge and from $100 to $1,000. And of course, I'm sorry, I signed dollars, but I'm trading with my account is euro, and I'm going to review my last trade, yesterday trade, because I lost 3 trades and 2 trades. One was took out in stop loss, and so for me are 3 loser trade. And I have to review in deep why happened and what I can do to be a better trader. And I'm going to see, this is the big situation, the daily chart of Euro USD. And now I'm going to see, these are trades that I took yesterday, and I'm going to review these. The first and the second and the third was only errors, and I have to say that it would be better if to think enough when you put a trade and lose that trade. And this is for me, of course, but could be helpful even for you. And I'm going to review my trade with trading view because it's a better chart to draw some data. I'm going to this is the situation. This was the situation before I took the trade, and you can see the yesterday trade, September 16, but I'm going to see the chart and I'm going to see again my trade enter with a sell limit in this area, 18,546. I'm going to 18,545, and my stop loss was here because I have only 0.5% of losing room, and this is my rule, and I made a take profit in this area, but as you can see, even from the video has not been took, and therefore I lose the take profit, and this happened, and I was too tight, too thin, and I don't know to say. And I reviewed the video, and I saw that I made no clear decision when I see that this take profit was not hit, and this was a mistake. But now I have to think about this. And second error was in this area, because there's been I've not waited for a retesting of this area price, because enter in downtrend, and I'm going to see what happened after, and you can see the feeling of the short side was right, but I do not wait enough, and is a lack of was an error of my impatience to register to record the video, and to stick with my rule to be within 15 minutes, and I'm going to took out this rule and to make a good trade instead. And now it's enough for this. I'm going to see the market. 1 hour situation, and I'm going to refresh or reset. As you can see, the room this was my trade, and the 1 hour, and for the 1 hour chart would be very good. For the 1 minute chart it's not so good. Now I'm going to remake some consideration of the market, the prices here. I'm going to cancel all this, remove, to clean the remove, and remove this. And I'm going to stop just a while. Hello again. After 20 minutes of study, I think I'm going to reveal my study, and there are some interesting points, and this is an interesting point. I think this candle should go lower in this direction, and after that go higher in this area of interest, after this, and after that. This is my thinking at the moment. I'm going to see the 15-minute chart and reveal that this value of the market could be a pole of attraction, and I'm going to see the 5 minutes. In the 5 minutes, this level has been took, and now this chart now it is a better pole of attraction, and I'm going to take a short in this area, a sell limit with my 1 minute chart. I'm going to take a sell limit here, and should be entered, and my stop loss is here, and I'm going to see the attraction level where is 17 912. $17,912, sorry. No. Sorry for this delay. Object list, edit, 17. $91. 17.91. Okay, close. And I'm stopping my video at the moment. I'm again here, and it could be that I move my stop loss in this upper candle if this candle close. I don't know if I have enough room for this trade. It depends of this candle at the moment. I have to pause again. I move my stop loss. The market is trying to take me out from this trade. I'm going to see the situation here in the trading view is 8.57 of London session. And I don't see a big movement of the market. I'm going to stop. The trade is not going down fast as expected, but I could take only a little gain here, and my decision, is to wait and to. My stop loss is already took out, and the trade gained me 0.08, and therefore was a bad trade, but is finished with a win. I'm stopping and to see what happened in the market, and after that I review and recap my trade. As you can see, the arrow is my trade, and for me is 11:04 a.m. and for London is 9:04, and now it's starting to go down. It seems to go down, and I'm going to see my arrow down has been taken at this area. I'm stopping again, and I will see after. I'm taking my sell again, the last of the day. And I will see and stop loss in this area very tight, and I will see. As you can see, it started to go down. I'm moving my stop loss in this area. Again, I'm moving my stop loss in this area. Again, the stop loss entered and the trade target arrived